Korean mask for clear skin. With this mask, you can whiten and eliminate any spots on your face. In a container, we are going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Then we will add 1.5 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. And we mix everything very well until these ingredients are completely integrated and we are left with a homogeneous paste. While we're mixing, let me know where you're looking from so I can send you a shout out in the next video. Thank you for watching and sharing our videos. Cornstarch acts as a natural skin lightener, as it helps eliminate spots caused by the sun or acne. You are going to apply this mask on your face or on any part of the body that you want to lighten, and you will let it act for 10 or 15 minutes. Then you remove it with plenty of water. Repeat this process 3 times a week so that you can see better results. If you like this recipe, don't hesitate to drop a yes, I love it. Yes, I will try it. Thank you very much.